Alrighty, welcome to One Goal. This is the cash flow tab. You'll land here as soon as you've finished our onboarding and you've created all of your budgets. It can be a little overwhelming at first. If you look here in the center, this is your weekly budget. No matter what you put in, whether it's monthly, bi-weekly, every 6 months, we're going to convert your income into a weekly amount. And then you can take that weekly amount and split it into savings, here represented as purple, bills represented as blue, and spending represented as orange. I can click here to change the view to be per budget, in years, in months, or in weeks. And if I click on one of these categories, I can see a specific breakdown of where my money is going in my specific budgets. Perhaps I realize that I don't want to set aside $1,000 every month for my savings, that maybe I only need $500 every month. And I'd like to put that extra money towards my vacation. So I'm going to put the remaining $266.93 per week so that I'm back at Budget Zen again. You'll notice if I add too much money on here, maybe I add an extra zero, it'll automatically update and let me know, whoa, you're over budget, calm down. And if I put not enough in there, it says I still have extra money to budget. So I can add that number until it adds up to Budget Zen with $0 extra per week so that I have a true zero-based budget. Okay, I've switched sides here. Now we're going to look over at this graph here on the right. This is showing when money leaves my account and when money comes into my account. So over the long term, over the year, because I have a lot of money going into savings, it's going to project up and to the right. If I change this to a month, it might make more sense. I can see when bills hit my account, the numbers drop, and when my income comes in, the graph goes up. This view can be really helpful if you're trying to understand if there's ever a time that your account balance gets dangerously low. For example, let's say instead of having 2 incomes, we now only had 1 income. So we're grossly over budget at first, but what if my income was really high, but it came in every 3 months? If it was like $17,000 every 3 months. Updating over budget a penny, but we're going to call it good. So you can see here on the right that even though I get paid 4 times a year, in between each one of my paychecks, my account balance is going to drop as I'm paying my bills and living my life. But it's okay because in the long term, it trends up and to the right.